All right, guys, got to run into Home Depot, pick up some stuff. I'm gonna do a quick run through to see if we can find any deals. Looks like they got the M18 5-inch grinder with the Forge 6 amp hour battery. $269 was $299 on that one. And then it looks like they got the M18 Fuel 15 gauge angle finish nailer. $262.06 for that was $349. And that's going to come with a battery, so you're going to get a CP 3.0 amp hour battery, charger in the bag with that. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's what's going to come with that. Looks like they also got the M18 7-tool combo kit, $449 for that one. I don't know if you guys can see the actual item number on that was $499. A little bit of everything on that: circular saw, angle grinder, impact, one-handed recip. So I get a little bit of everything with that one. $449, $219 for the HP 10-inch was $399. Looks like over here they got the DeWalt 12-inch, $359 for that was $499. Looks like they got a little bit of a deal on the DeWalt FlexVolt. This is the 12-inch double bevel sliding miter saw. This was $699 down to $630, so a little discount on that. And then up here, it's an amazing deal, but just a little discount, $360 on the 60-volt max table saw, tool only for that. Looks like they got tons of lower prices on the heated gear. $169 for the jacket. This is the woman's jacket. They got another woman's jacket. This is the hoodie for $129. $119 for the woman's M12 access vest. $189 for the extra large men's jacket, access jacket. And over here they got the access vest for $119 for the men's. $129 for the M12 jacket with battery. They got tons of stock too. They got the men's hoodie. This is the gray hoodie. $129 was $159. $169 for the tough shell over here. Not a bad deal. Over here they got the Forge. So these are the new batteries for the M18. They got $199 for the 6 amp hour battery up there. And then over here they got the dual bay charger for $249. Got $79 on the Rigid 12 gallon, it looks like. Yep, 12 gallon shop vac. $79.97 was $99. Over by the M12 they got the M12 starter kit. $105 was $149. And then this one looks like you're gonna get the 4.0, 2.0, and then the charger. You also got buy one get one for Milwaukee, so pick up one of these M12 tools, and they're throwing in the 2.5 amp hour battery pack for free. Down here, $149 for the M12 hydraulic driver kit. That's going to come with 2 of the 2 amp hour batteries and the charger and bag. And then they got the one-handed recip saw with the 4 amp hour battery for $149. $99 for the dual bay charger from Milwaukee M18. $129 for the blower. $179 for the 2-pack 6 amp and then the 3 amp hour battery. That's Milwaukee deals going on. Your choice for $49.97. They got some lights here, 500 lumen rechargeable light. And they got the 450 lumen headlamp. And then they got the 250 lumen pen light. So there's a pen light. There's the headlamp. Got some more deals here. 2000 lumen light for $79. Then I got the treble light for $79. It was $89. It's only 10 bucks off on those. Over here they get the 5 amp hour M18 for $129. They got $149 for the 2-pack with the 3.0 amp hour batteries. $199 for the 2-tool combo. That's the impact. So you get the drill driver, impact, 2 of the 2.0 amp hour batteries, charger in the bag. $249 for the two 6 amp-hour batteries. And then your choice over here, $149. Impact kit. And then here is the drill driver kit. So not fuel, just brushless. I also got, if you get the 5 amp-hour starter kit for $199, pick up one of these tools. So $149 for the angle grinder. You got the orbit sander, $129, multi-tool, one-handed recip, sawzall, and then the circular saw. $99 for the 170-watt power supply. $249 for the 2-tool kit, hammer drill, and then the impact. Get a couple batteries with that one. Got some hats and gloves, normal stuff, $8.97, $12.97. Hats are $24.97. Got some Ryobi stuff over here, so free 2 amp-hour battery, and with the purchase of one of these, so one-handed recip, the HP multi-tool, that's $79. Circular saw, crown stapler. Got the kit here, that's just a Ryobi 1 Plus. So, and then you get the free 2 amp-hour battery. So it looks like they only got one HP tool, and it's the recip, one-handed recip. Looks like for DeWalt, they got buy one get one. So you buy one of these tools up here, and then you get a free power stack battery with that. That's a 5 amp-hour power stack. And then over there, they got the router, was $219 down to $199 for the XR router. But most of those are atomic, 20-volt max tools up there for the buy one get one. Here's a bunch of HP 4-mode half-inch impact wrench. I actually picked this up off of Direct Tools for $49. Nice pickup, but right here they got it for $159. $149 for the 3/8" extended ratchet. Jigsaw, HP, these are all HP. Angle grinder, circular saw. We got the 4 amp-hour high performance battery for $99, and then that just got the wet and dry hand vac down to $49.97. We also got the Ryobi, these lithium tools, which I haven't tried out yet. So if you guys tried them out, let me know in the comment section below if you guys like them or not. But it's a buy one get one for this, so you get a free 2 amp-hour battery if you purchase one of these tools. So a bunch of different tools there to choose from. Over in the rigid area, and it looks like this, Home Depot has a deal on the rigid drill and impact driver kit. Zoom up there so you guys get the item number, but it was $169 down to $76 for this. Not a bad deal. Kind of like a homeowner's kit, light duty, but $76, not a bad deal. Got some deals going on for Makita, $629 for the 40-volt max chainsaw. Comes with the 3 amp-hour kit, so 3 amp-hour battery with that, charger. Over here they have the 40-volt blower for $439. They also got the Makita subcompact impact and drill kit, $239 for that. So it comes with two 1.5 amp-hour batteries. $249 for the multi-tool subcompact. Circular saw, $189, and then 2 amp-hour battery is $99. $189 for the gear wrench, 232 piece tool set. Can't remember what the price was for that during Christmas, but $189 right now. Got some rigid stuff. Got the battery, $49 for the 2 amp-hour battery. They got the subcompact drill driver kit for $149. Got the hand vac, $69 for that. $139 for the amp-hour max output battery. $199 for the subcompact 2-tool combo kit. $199, and then $99. So we've seen that one before. $24.88 for the Fat Max tape measures. We got $549 for the rigid table saw. It's a 10-inch portable table saw. $549. They also got the Makita angle grinders here. Get that, and then you get a free 4 amp-hour battery and charger. So this one's got the slide switch, and this one's got the paddle switch. Alright guys, look at this. They got the Makita deal. $169 was $239. So drill driver, impact, getting a couple batteries with that. But two 1.5 amp-hour batteries, $169 was $239. And I seen this earlier over here, and they actually still have this marked over here for $239. So here it is over here, but it's actually marked over there for $169. So definitely want to check around at your Home Depot, because apparently they don't have all their prices together yet. Looks like they got some good discounts going on the Ryobi One Plus. They got a string trimmer here, the 13-inch, $99 for that. That is the tool only, I think. Actually, it's the kit, so it comes with the 4 amp-hour battery and charger. So not a bad deal. Then over here they got tool only on this. This is the blower, and this is $49. Not a bad deal. Was $99. And then they got the nicer blower here, tool only. This one's 280 CFM. This one's 200 CFM. So, but you're getting this one for the same price, and this one $49, same price, but you're getting a better blower. I actually own this blower and this blower. I did reviews on both of these side by side, so I can post those if you guys are interested in those. And then over here they got the pole saw, $99. And then they got the Makita hedge trimmer here, $114, tool only. So not a bad discount on those, especially with summer right around the corner. You guys might find these deals at your Home Depot also. Then it looks like if you're in the Ryobi Expand It ecosystem, they actually have the brush cutter here. So this is the attachment to, say, your string trimmer, but they got this $49, was $119. So they got the brush cutter, and then over here they got the trimmer, $49. So there's the trimmer, there is the brush cutter, and then over here they got the tine tiller. So 8-inch tine tiller cultivator, $153, little discount on that one. Looks like also they got the pruner down to $49. This was $129. I do not see that in stock right here, but they might have that somewhere else. They got the pole saw, which we already looked at. Here's a nice little discount I just found at the clearance section. Here is the battery charger and engine starter. So they got this all the way down to $58. It was $115. So that's an 80 amp. Not too bad of a discount on that. And then over here, they got the smaller 8 amp battery charger down to $29. This was $57.98. Here's a nice Ryobi deal if you can find it. It's the 2-pack of the 4 amp-hour batteries. I got this $62, was $99. Not a bad deal. It doesn't look like they got any here, just the single packs. But then the single is going for $99. So for a 2-pack, $62. Not a bad deal. Looks like for rigid, they got the Octane compact router, $76. And then over here they got the max output 4 amp-hour battery and the charger for $81. And then right next to that they got the 2 amp-hour max output for rigid for $49. And up top for rigid, a little discount, they got the max output, 2 4 amp-hour batteries in the charger, $159 was $179. Some Ryobi deals. Got the 6-pack here of batteries. So it's a 6-pack of 1.5 amp hours with the dual charger, $134. They got the glue pen kit, $25.04. They got the 2-pack here, but it's the 4 amp hour battery, and then it's also the 6 amp hour battery for $99. Here's another really good deal. M18 fuel 1-inch SDS D handle. 125 was $249, guys. That's a really good deal if you can find that at your Home Depot. $548 for the 27-inch Husky toolbox. I remember when this was all the way down to like $248 during the holidays last year. $548 now for that. Over by the welding, they got the Lincoln Electric welder. 125 wire-fed MIG welder. It was $649 down to $449 for that one. Flux core, $125. $89 for the 33-inch DeWalt foldable workbench. We've seen this price before. I'd like to see that get a little bit lower, but that's a pretty cool table. Alright guys, so here's a nice discount on a patio heater. These are pretty cool. This is usually $449. They got this down to $225. It's the Pyramid Flame Heater. So pretty cool setup. It's got this glass in the middle that the flame shoots through. And then they do also have this high efficiency by Hot Shot. This is just your regular standard patio heater here. This was $159. They got it marked down. 60,000 BTUs was $199. You guys are looking for some patio heaters. So here's a picture of the Pyramid one. Kind of cool. And of course it uses propane, but it's got the cool little flame that goes up the middle. $255 for those. So it looks like Hampton Bay's come out with their version of the Solo stove. So there's a stainless steel, and it looks like they got that for $199. This is a 19-inch. I actually did not know that Hampton Bay made their version of the Solo stove. But you guys know those Solo stoves are pretty expensive. So $199 for the Hampton Bay, kind of a knockoff. But pretty cool, 19-inch outdoor fire pit. And then it looks like they do have the tabletop one too. So this is a smaller version of a patio heater. So it goes right on, say, your patio table. Got this marked down to $135. If you guys are looking for some lawnmowers for this spring and summer, they got the Toro 22-inch front wheel drive, was $529 down to $399. 150cc engine. Then over here they got the 140cc engine. That's $349. This was $499 for that one. And then they got the regular just push mower here, the Murray, for $199. All right guys, so there you go, just a quick run through at my Home Depot. I haven't done a Home Depot walkthrough in a while, so I figured I would do one. Let me know what you guys are finding at your Home Depot in the comment section below. Hopefully you guys found value in the video. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and turn on notifications so you get notified when I post my next video. Thanks for watching guys. I will talk to you on the next one.